2, 3. Underwater. Alright, so we just got here at Miracle Springs. So this is a hotel with the many different hot spring pools. Let's go check out inside. Nice views over there.
It's like a pretty old hotel.
Yeah. Wow, looks nice.
Covered in snow.
So this is the check-in, check-out area. There's a little ballroom right there. Let's see. Yeah, and then restaurant over there and some shop. Let me show you right here. Oh wow, look at that view.
Hot spring pool.
Whoa, this is the really nice view, right? Look at all these pools. Very nice.
And they're supposed to all be hot.
Even the big pool over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, we'll go check it out. Look at that view though. Wow. Alright, let me show you around our hotel room here. More like motel. A closet right here. And the restroom with a shower. There's a hair dryer inside. Oops, I didn't close the door. They have refrigerator and microwave, coffee maker there, 2 queen beds. Sorry about the mess. Samsung TV, and then we asked for the mountain view room. Versus the poolside room, pool view room. We got the mountain view room. We see the mountain, but we also see kind of see the houses in between. So next time we come here, we'll get the pool view room. There's a little balcony here. Okay. That's it. So nice here. So we just got into pool. Man, the water is so warm. Haven't jumped in this kind of pool, warm pool, in a long time. Okay, you go down too, okay? 1, 2, 3. So what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna scream underwater and see if we could hear it.
Okay. Go ahead. Let's see how this pool is. Oh, this one's hot too. Oh my gosh. This is very shallow, but only 1.5 feet. Very hot. Oh, 좋다. Is it warm? Hotter than that. Oh, it's so warm, Jet. It's almost hot. Almost hot. Feels good, huh?
Sounds weird. It's a baby pool.
Feels so nice here. Nice and warm. Let me show you how it looks inside. Oh, there's a air bubble coming from behind me. Okay, let me show you. Underwater. How is it, Jet? So I think this pool, the pool with the roof on top, is the hottest pool here so far. Yeah, this one is bigger than the other jacuzzi. Has bubbles as well. Whew. Let me see how it is underwater. Wow, very nice. So on the other side of the pools, if you turn around, there's a nice view of the mountain with a lot of windmills on the bottom. Whoa. That mountain, if you look closely, the snow trails or how snow is forming
Sheared snake.
kind of looks like marbling on a steak. Maybe I'm just hungry. So yesterday I only saw this view. I'm like, it's not that great. But this morning when I woke up and turned to the left, look at that. Totally missed that yesterday. Okay, it's 9:49. We're stuck on the elevator right now. It's not working. So we pressed the alarm button here. And after like 10 minutes, somebody said they're working on it. What's going on?
I am claustrophobic. Oh!
There you go.
Yes!
Yeah!
Thank you!
Is it moving?
Sorry about this.
Oh, okay.